Okay guys, today's trade is actually meant for beginners. If you're a professional watching this video, please, this video is not for you or your team. Now, this particular video is meant for beginners. If you're actually a beginner watching this video, then watch this video to the end, because definitely this video is for you. Now, hit the subscribe button, share this video, and share to your friends. Comment anything you want to comment. Now I'll be managing account in case you are actually trade, or maybe don't know how to grow your account, or maybe anytime you enter trade you always blow your account off the market every time. Just text me. I'll be dropping my links on my bio, and I will be dropping it on my comment section. Now let's proceed in today's market trade. Now, as you can see, this market is not today's market. I actually took this market some hours ago, I think, some days ago. Sorry, I took this market around this particular date, and just take a look at how this market is actually moving right now. This market is going massively profit. If I should go and show you guys on the profit that we are in today, you will actually shout, but I will not actually open it because I have my reasons. Now, this is volatility 75, in case you don't know where we're actually trading. And then this is deriv. In case you don't know what is deriv is a broker that is specialized in forex trading. If you want to learn how to open your deriv account and fund your account and start trading automatically, just text me on my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel, or I'll be replying you, and definitely I'll be telling you what to do. Now, as you can see, this market actually goes a little bit up, started reversing, not a little bit up, but massively up. Started reversing. Let me go to one hour time frame. This market is actually a long process one at the matter. I saw this market here. I decided to tick this market because of this rejection over here, and notice that this market is definitely going to sell, not to buy, because of this rejection. I saw this market, and this market keep on selling to this particular point. Then it goes up again. Then I had this rejection, started coming down one more time. As you can see, it started coming down very massively, and it goes up a little bit. As you can see, the rejection, I didn't see the market to close it already here, so I decided to leave it. Now, as you can see, the market have given us a W pattern shape in order to buy massively, but we're still going to hang on with this market, because before this market actually buy, it's going to take a while before this market buy. You all know how the market went, how the dollar, if you're actually trading currency, how the dollar rates, or how the dollar trade keep on increasing and buying massively. You all know, you have seen it, but that's not really the point. The point is, this market is actually a promising market now. If you're actually watching this video, go and hit the subscribe button, comment your mind, and follow for more videos and more training on how to grow your particular account, hit me on my DM. I'll be teaching you on how to grow your account. I'll be adding you in my free Telegram channel where I'll be giving free signals and free indicators, and you'll be learning massively more. At least when you are done with my training, you will be nowhere educated and well trained. Now, as you can see, the market is still moving lavishly here, but we know exactly where the market is going. We don't know that the market is actually going to buy massively, but as you can see, you looking at this market, you already know that this market is actually a buying market. There's no two ways about it. As you can see, this rejection button over here, and it goes up and reject again, comes down, reject again, started going up. This is actually double bottom here. If you can see, this is a double bottom to this point and this point. Now, it's not a breakdown, it's actually a massive buy. It's not a breakdown, because if it's a breakdown, this particular double bottom will actually break down from this particular ankle and started buying massively. Now, I placed this trade and I gave a signal on this trade about 3 days ago, 4 days ago, I think. Then I decided to tell all my downline to leave this market. All my friends and people that is in my channel to leave this market. I already know that this market is going to sell massively, and already they are making massive profit in this particular trade. Even if you trade this market with a little lot size, you still find yourself having massive profits. Now, again, I want to actually advise you guys that is actually a beginner. If you want to go into market, first of all, know your lot size, and first of all, know the market you're actually going. Like I said before, this is volatility 75, and we are trading with one lot size. One lot size is actually one of the biggest lot size in volatility 75 right now, because if you place with one lot size, be assured that your market is going to sell or is going to go massively loss or massively profit. So if you are going in with this particular big lot size, just know or have it in mind to actually have big equity accounts in order to back up this market. Yes, that's the truth, and that's exactly how the truth works. Now, I'm going to be leaving you guys. Please hit the subscribe button, share this video, and comment whatever you think, and drop a comment mindset. Text me on my Telegram channel. I'll be dropping the links on my comment section. I will see you guys in my next upload video. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend.